Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to incorporate tabs into a Confluence page. To begin, head over to the official Confluence website. Once the page loads, choose the option to sign in with Google for a quick and easy login. Simply select your preferred Google account from the list provided. After you have successfully logged in, you will see a list of your various projects. Click on the specific project where you want to add the new tabs. Now that you have entered your space, we need to access the right tools. Look for the More option in the top menu, which will open a drop-down where you can select Apps. Next, click on Manage Apps to move forward. On this management screen, you must install the specific add-on called Tabs for Confluence. Follow the basic installation steps provided. Once the process is complete, navigate back to your workspace by clicking on your space name. With the app ready, open the specific page you intend to modify. Look for the three dots in the corner to access additional options and select Edit. This will open the page editor. In the command line, simply type /tab, and Confluence will suggest the tabs feature. Click on it to start building your layout. You can now enter a title for your tab and fill in the specific information or data you want to display. This method is vital for keeping your documentation clean and easy for others to read. When you have finished naming your tabs and adding all the necessary content, click the Save button. To make sure your team can see the new layout, be sure to hit Update or Publish before exiting. You have now successfully added tabs to your Confluence page, making your data much more organized. Using tabs is a great way to handle complex information, so don't be afraid to try different names and layouts. If you found this walkthrough useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.